Hi guys, welcome back to another dashboard series. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to create a horizontal scrollable table, mobile version. So as you can see, our table can be able to scroll horizontally. So this is what we're going to be learning today. This is the mobile version of our desktop responsive table, and we usually have less width and horizontal spacing on the mobile version compared to the desktop. So we're going to start by selecting this particular frame that houses the toolbar and our table. And then I'm going to unclip content for you to see like the rest of our table details. So these ones are overflowing, they're literally out of the frame. So I'm going to select the auto layout frame that is housing the columns of our table. Then I'm going to right click on my trackpad and then select frame selection so that we can be able to add a frame to it. So once I've done this, I'm going to keep this frame selected, not the auto layout. So I'm going to have this outermost frame selected, and then I'm going to drag it, just bring it and make sure it fits exactly here. Then I'm going to keep it selected and then select clip content. So once I clip content, you realize that the overflow columns are hidden. Then I'm also going to select this particular auto layout frame that houses the toolbar and our table, right? And I'm also going to clip its content. Then I'll go in again and make sure that the frame without the auto layout is selected for the table alone. And then I'll go to the prototype section and set the position to scroll with parent and set the overflow to horizontal. It's also important to make sure that every other frame here is set to no scrolling. You highlight this one, make sure it's set to no scrolling so that the toolbar doesn't scroll with the table. So we're going to preview this using our prototype to see how it scrolls. I'm going to go to the prototype section and select our frame size, which is 390. Then go back, highlight this, and then open it up. So I'm going to keep my cursor here and then drag it to the left. See how they're all moving to the left, and then you can bring it back to the right. Can do that again. You see how it's just the table and its titles that are moving, and that's how it's supposed to be. So we've come to the end of this very short tutorial, and I hope that you really learned something today. If you have questions or any concerns at all, please do let me know in the comments.